Hey everyone, it's Marks here with another quick tip to save you time and boost your productivity. Today, we're diving into a 10-minute AI engineering hack that you don't want to miss. So, if you're ready to level up your AI game and unlock a whole new level of efficiency, stick around, because this one's a game changer. Let's face it, AI is everywhere, and it's transforming industries faster than ever. From healthcare to finance, AI is changing the way we live and work. But here's the thing, AI engineering is complex. It's a rapidly evolving field that demands constant learning and adaptation. That's why it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve, to find those little hacks and shortcuts that can give you an edge. We're talking about saving hours of development time, improving the accuracy of your models, and ultimately delivering better results. Now, before we dive into the 10-minute hack, let's talk about some of the common challenges that AI engineers face. One of the biggest bottlenecks is data pre-processing. Cleaning, transforming, and preparing your data for training can feel like an endless cycle. It's time-consuming and tedious, but it's a critical step to ensure the accuracy of your models. Then there's the issue of model training time. Depending on the complexity of your model and the size of your dataset, training can take hours, even days. And finally, there's deployment. From infrastructure compatibility to scalability issues, deployment can feel like navigating a minefield. But hey, I'm here to tell you that there are solutions to streamline your entire AI engineering workflow. All right, let's get to the good stuff. The 10-minute hack that can transform your AI engineering game. This hack isn't about some magical shortcut that will solve all your AI problems overnight. It's about leveraging the right tools and techniques to optimize your workflow and eliminate those time-consuming tasks that slow you down. We're talking about automating repetitive processes, using pre-trained models to jumpstart your projects, and implementing smart debugging strategies. Whether you're working on natural language processing, computer vision, or any other AI